How to fix camera not working on Google Meet. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Google Meet camera issues and get your video working step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. First, join your Google Meet meeting. Now look at the bottom panel and click on the arrow next to the camera icon to open video settings. Select the correct camera from the drop-down menu if multiple cameras are available. Then, check if you are using an external webcam and make sure it is properly connected to your device. You can unplug and reconnect the webcam to refresh the connection if needed. Also, make sure that the camera model is correctly selected on the camera list. If you still want another option, tap on the Settings gear icon and go to Video Settings. Make sure the correct camera is selected and your camera is not turned off. If the camera is properly set, there should not be any indicators on the list. Since I don't have a camera connected, it is showing me an advisory. If everything is correct and is in place, your camera should now be available. And that's it. That's how you can fix Google Meet camera not working and restore your video easily.